Okay, hello. Today I just wanted to go through my curiosity box I got a few days ago. I just opened it up just right now to see what is in it. Forgive me if I do not pronounce these words correctly, but let's go for it, okay? This one is not so bad. Hydrodome. This is called a hydrodome. I really like how that's. And just quickly, it says fluids like liquids and gases display amazing, even hypnotic flows. Okay, the problem is that being that many of those are transparent, you never get to see. With this, it's called rheoscopic fluid. It's a liquid filled with tiny particles of mica. And since the light reflects off the shiny mica, as the fluid spins, you can see the currents and vortices. I do like this. I mean, it looks a lot cooler in person. Now this is called cyanotype t-shirt. Okay, so we have a t-shirt. And I'm not gonna do this right now because from what I'm seeing, it's better, I had to do it in the sunlight. But it came with the ink, or the, how do you say, the dye. And it came with a little brushy. And it came with some gloves. So what you're supposed to do with this, you're supposed to spread the dye onto the t-shirt, then you place objects on it, okay? And then you expose it to the sunlight for a few minutes, and the light's gonna change the composition of the dye. So it's gonna cause it to go deep blue, while the areas that are covered by whatever objects you put is supposed to remain light. So that, when I do that, I'm definitely going to film that, and we'll see how that comes out. I think that's pretty cool. So this is called Pythagorean, I believe. Okay, Pythagorean. If I'm saying it correctly, I don't know. And with this, supposedly, what you're going to do is that you're going to fill this up. But if you fill it over the top of the tube that's inside, you can see a little tube, it's going to funnel out, come out through the bottom. So this I'm also going to do, and then I will show you what happens. Other things that I have received in it, and this is called Bagum Audio Puzzle. Okay, I really cannot pronounce these names, and I'm very, very sorry. I wish I could. This is a puzzle that we will have to figure out also. I will film it when I figure this out. Okay, another thing I have is curiosity cards. Now this, so you can see right through the cards. And you actually can. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see me behind it. You can actually see through the cards. That's actually, I like that. That's interesting. Okay, so these were the items that were in my curiosity box. I really do enjoy my curiosity box, even though I cannot pronounce any of the things that I liked, that I get. All right, so that's it for now. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I've done, and you can let me know if you like it. Thank you. I do hope you enjoy it. I am having fun. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so here is the Pythagorean cup. As you can see, it has a siphon in the middle. So what happens is that when you pour liquid into it, as long as you don't pull it over the siphon, the liquid will stay. But as soon as it covers the siphon, then it's going to pull the liquid down and out. So I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to put a little apple juice just so you can see the coloring. That's some color there. Now I'm going to pour some water. Now it's not over the siphon yet, you see. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to show you. So now I'm going to continue to pour. And as you can see, it siphons the liquid out. How cool is that? And it empties out the glass. So here's the t-shirt. I put a piece of cardboard in between so that it doesn't soak through. These are the two dies, the A and B. So I'm gonna take A and put some in here. Actually, I'm gonna do 3 of them because I'm doing this with my sons. I'm hoping it works. Then we're going to take B and mix it with it. Let's hope I did equal amounts. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your paintbrush, curl it a little bit in here. Then I'm going to just, oh, I guess I got it there. I'm going to just put it onto here. So I'm going to put as much as I want. I'm going to just cover as much as I want. And then I let it dry. It could take a day. And after that, I put it in the sun with some objects and we'll see what happens. Okay, now we are outside with our t-shirts. This is a t-shirt they gave me. As you can see, it seems like a green ink for now. These are the t-shirts my sons did. They're a little bit darker. It was a lot harder to do. I think it had to do with the material. So now we're going to add some objects onto the shirts. Okay, so this is how I placed my objects on this shirt. Sons. I did different things because I wanted to see how it would show up. These are rocks. These are just acrylic circles that I put paper on the side. This acrylic one has no coloring to it, so I want to see how it will do in the sun. This one has a snowman face I made, so I want to see what will save. Okay, and this is my ornament. Okay, so we're going to see exactly what happens. We're going to put them out in the sun for about 10 minutes. Then we have to wash them in cold water quickly. Okay. Now we'll take these items off. You see that one, this one you don't even see. You see how there's imprints on it? This one also has some. Okay. I'm soaking them for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to wring them out and wring them out. These are the t-shirts. This is the one I did. This is 100% cotton. These t-shirts aren't 100% cotton, but they still worked. So I'm going to now throw them into the washing machine and see what happens. These are the shirts. They've been washed and dried in the dryer after soaking them for at least 5 minutes. I just wanted to show you, this is the one that I did with the snowman. This was the ornament, I believe. And these were the dots. This one, obviously, because it was clear, there was nothing to cover, so that one is very faint. And all the little things you see here are rocks.